Welcome to our channel. Today I have the honor of showing you how to clean the jack socket, that is the headphone jack on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G phone. For this process we need a round brush with bristles about 2 or 3 centimeters long, preferably sturdy enough to withstand movement, so that we have something effective to clean with. It should be flexible. In addition, we need isopropyl alcohol, in which we have to soak the brush, and then we'll simply use it to clean the jack socket. So, yes, it has to be alcohol, of course, so that the alcohol softens the dirt, helps remove it, and then evaporates afterwards. So that no residue is left, because if any residue remains, it could cause a short circuit, and that would be a problem. That's why it has to be isopropyl alcohol. We soak it thoroughly. Make sure the brush is fully, so that it's thoroughly soaked. Of course, a specialized cleaning brush like this one, and this specific water, you can easily buy them together as a complete set on Allegro or Amazon. So you can definitely check there and see exactly where to get it, because without these tools it would be incredibly hard to get everything clean. Here we have the jack socket. First we take this specialized brush, insert it all the way into the opening, and then rotate it to the side. Now we need to turn it 5 full times to the right, then 5 times back to the left, and finally gently pull it all the way out. Repeat this process 5 or 10 times, and the headphone jack will be thoroughly cleaned. 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again we pull it out. As I said, do this 5 to 10 times, and the headphone jack will be spotless, just like new. After the procedure, set the phone aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Of course, always perform everything with the phone turned off, never when it's on. After 15 minutes, once the alcohol has fully evaporated, you can simply turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I'd appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in the next video.